In this video I want to share about MUNBYN Wi-Fi receipt printer with USB port, 80mm POS printer, thermal printer, works with Square Mac, Windows, Chromebook, Linux, cache drawer. Why you must have it? This Wi-Fi thermal receipt thermal printer does not support PayPal, Zettel, Shopify, POS, Vigero, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi wirelessly connects your POS system, getting rid of the shackles of traditional USB wired connections. Take your business to the next level. MUNBYN ITPP905 Wi-Fi receipt printer comes with USB, LAN, serial port and Wi-Fi for perfect connectivity. It works well with Square Register POS and Square Stand POS, and supports ESC, POS command-based Windows, Mac systems. High compatibility to meet your business needs. Not compatible with Wix, Clover POS and Shopify POS. Do you want to get this product? You can get best price and discount for this item by link in description. Thanks for watching.